She steps into the room, confidence on high, a glimmer in her eyes, like stars in the sky. In her gym clothes, she's ready for the day. No one can stop her, she's leading the fray. She's a powerhouse, a beacon of might, unstoppable force, she shines so bright. Truth in her words, passion in her stance, she's forging her path, life's fierce dance. Every challenge faced, she rises above. Her spirit's unbreakable, driven by love. With abs of steel and a heart full of fire, she's chasing her dreams, climbing higher and higher. You might not understand her strength, it's true. She's built from battles, born anew. Her dreams burn brighter every single day. In her arena, she's here to stay. She's a powerhouse, a beacon of might, unstoppable force, she shines so bright. Truth in her words, passion in her stance, she's forging her path, life's fierce dance. Through storms she runs, forever bold, a tale of strength that's yet to be told. In every stride, her legacy grows. She's a warrior spirit, everybody knows.